मैंने आपको देखा था फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड मैंने वो पूरा स्ट्रेच में देखा था एपिसोड व्हिच वाज विद ईशांत शर्मा,
Yeah,
वेयर
okay.
अश्नीर
Yeah,
ग्रोवर,
yeah. That was in
आशीष मोहपात्रा.
uh, that was in Shahpur Jat village. Just two brothers.
अच्छा, ओके.
Mm.
You were there and then Sarthak was there.
Yeah,
Sarthak was,
that's right.
yeah. So I was very fascinated with what you were saying, your insights, and Ashish Mohapatra also at the same point of time.
Okay.
तो मैंने कहा कि मतलब वो ऐसी कॉन्वर्सेशन थी जो मैंने पूरी देखी. फिर आप नितिन बजाज के पास आपने पॉडकास्ट करा,
जी.
वो भी मैंने पूरा नहीं देखा. वो मैंने काफ़ी उसकी क्लिप्स देखी और उसके बाद वहाँ से तो आई वाज ऑलवेज ऑफ द थॉट पता नहीं आप मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे आओगे बिकॉज वी आर वेरी न्यू, बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग
Not
दिस.
at all. Thank you for calling me. I like to encourage new people doing podcasts.
हम्म.
You know, because I think they get a start, they get encouragement, and
थैंक यू.
I also started small. In the
यस.
servant quarter above the garage at home. So I know what it's like to start.
कब शुरू करा था सर आपने naukri.com?
97 में, but before that for 7 years, we drifted and then did a whole bunch of small things. Report writing, salary surveys, trademarks database, teaching, training, part-time journalism, whatever came my way to survive. And Naukri started as one more small idea in 1997. We just would get newspapers from around the country, take the appointment ads and put them on the net, and traffic began to come. So when we began in 97, there were only 14,000 internet accounts in the country. So we didn't know where it'll go, which is just one nifty small idea. I had a notion that if we can get 500 companies every month to pay us 1,000 rupees to list a job, तो महीने के 5 लाख रुपए हो जाएंगे,
करेक्ट.
तो साल के 60 लाख हो जाएंगे, तो प्रॉफिट बन जाएगा और मेरी तनख्वाह निकल जाएगी. माई होल थिंग वॉज how do I earn a salary, because the company could not afford to pay me. So I was teaching on weekends at management schools around Delhi, most notably IMT Ghaziabad. I was visiting faculty.
अच्छा.
My goal was to earn 5,500 rupees a month. If I can do that, I'll survive. And
500,000.
five
अच्छा.
महीने का 5,000 रुपये बन गया, I'll survive.
ये 1990 से 97 तक की जर्नी है.
91 to 97, yeah.
अच्छा. आपने जॉब नहीं ली.
मैंने
आप
जॉब ली, मैंने 5 साल नौकरी की है. 3 years after college, before my MBA, I worked in advertising in Lintes. And 1.5, 2 years after my MBA, I worked in a company called HMM. It made products like Horlicks, Boost,
ओके.
Milk Cream. I was in marketing. I was working on Horlicks.
दिस इज पोस्ट योर आई एम अहमदाबाद
Post my
फॉर 2 years.
almost 2 years.
Okay. And then you left it and started.
The company InfoEdge.
Okay.
Started 2 companies, a friend and I, in partnership, 50-50. One was called InfoEdge. We did salary service. One was called InMark, that did trademarks database search. Okay. And then after 3 years, my co-founder and I decided that it's not working out together with us. So we will go separate ways. I kept InfoEdge. He kept InMark. InfoEdge was my idea. InMark was his idea. And we divided the physical assets, the computers and the furniture, and we divided the employees, and we went separate ways. It was quite amicable and easy, the split. 2 companies, 2
ये
business.
चल रहा था आपके सर्वेंट क्वार्टर में.
शुरुआत की सेवन क्वार्टर में. Eventually, we moved out and rent to a rented place in Green Park Extension, second floor in Delhi. N24A, if I remember correctly, Green Park Extension. And then when we went separate ways, I moved back to the seventh quarter.
अच्छा. To save on rents or?
Yeah, to save costs, save on rent, and then gradually build it up again from there.
And then until 97 you were, how big or how was the business going on until
See,
then
the maximum we done was साल का 15-16 lakh
in revenues?
in revenue,
Okay.
which meant you could break even,
Mhm.
in those, especially if you're operating from home.
Including your cost
I was not taking a salary.
at all?
No, I used to work on weekends teaching,
अच्छा.
and that would get me some income. I took up a part-time job in 96. I was consulting editor of the Pioneer newspaper. I was editing the first advertising and marketing supplement, then the career supplement. And that's what we were doing.
Mm.
And I was surviving somehow.
Okay. And then नौकरी happened. इसका क्या insight था सर नौकरी का?
See, नौकरी का तो पुराना
सर
इंसाइट
क्या
था.
हाँ,
uh,
पैसे वाला आपने बताया जैसे एक 500 मल्टीप्लाई बाय
हाँ,
100
वो तो that was the
ऐसा।
sales target. That was the ambition. So it was basically when I was in my last job in H&M, हम marketing team में था, marketing में 12-14 लोग होते थे, maybe 8-10 लोग, whatever, sitting in an open hall.
हुँ, हुँ।
Uh, उस ज़माने में ये fancy offices नहीं होते थे, it was a very simple office,
जी,
a steel की table, you know. Uh, and because it was an open hall, I could see all my colleagues and what they were doing. And I noticed that something, I mean, probably very trivial, but interesting, that every time the office copy of Business India would come, it'll go from table to table, with each person listening to it and passing it on. Over 2 days, it'll go from table to table. And I used to notice that invariably all my colleagues would read it from the back
ओके,
because there were 35 to 40 pages of appointment ads at the back of the magazine. It was very important appointment ad medium for professional managers in those days.
ओके,
Number one appointment. And then they would look at the appointment ad, then they would discuss ये job यहाँ पे जा रही है, ये job यहाँ पे जा रही है, ये job, and they would start discussing among themselves. Now, they were working in a good company, multinational. In 89-90, this is pre-liberalization. If you wanted FMCG, you wanted MNC, uh, you wanted marketing, not sales, which means head office Delhi, right? Uh, uh, you know, you were probably in the best job you could be in because, believe me, दो ही कंपनियां थी MNC in those days. Uh, H&M where I was working and Nestle, and they would not hire from each other. तो अगर आपको दिल्ली में रहना है,
हुँ,
मार्केटिंग में रहना है, FMCG चाहिए, MNC चाहिए, तो you were in your the best possible job. And the company had good brand, it paid well. So it is not as if you were underpaid, but still they would be interested because people are always benchmarking, comparing, figuring out how they're doing in their careers. Are they being paid well enough? Are there higher salaries out there? And that's when I realized that jobs are a high interest category of information. People are always looking at jobs, even if you're not looking for a job.
राइट।
You will look at a job.
हुँ,
एक वो insight आ गई. Second insight came when, so this was 10 people in one hall, all from the best business schools in India.
हुँ, हुँ,
IIMs, FMS, Bajaj, Excel, top 7, 8 schools in India, business schools. So it was this very attractive headhunting ground for headhunters to call up, recruiters to call up and try and headhunt one or the other of my colleagues. Open hall, I could hear the conversation. And invariably, I realized that uh, from overhearing other people's conversations, that there are hundreds of headhunters out there because हर हफ्ते 2-3 कॉल आते थे, each time different headhunter with a different job in a different company, and these jobs are not advertised. Okay, in either Economic Times or Times of India or Business India.
दे आर
They were not.
अच्छा,
So I realized that there are hundreds of headhunters out there servicing thousands of companies with tens of thousands of jobs.
हुँ,
And these jobs are not advertised. So what appears in print was the tip of the iceberg. There was a massive market below the surface, highly fragmented. Uh, and so I kind of figured that इसमें कुछ है. So I had this customer insight that people are interested in jobs. I had this market insight that what appears in print is the tip of the iceberg. Right? Uh, so I figured by then that if somebody were to aggregate all this database, keep it live and current, इस पे कुछ हो सकता है.
ओके,
But this is 1990 and I could not figure out what to do with this insight.
हाँ,
So I quit my job. This became one of the file and forget kind of insights. I quit my job and I began to do two companies with my former co-founder. And we did it. Okay. Uh, Life went on. Then in 93, was it 92, I think, uh, there was a big ad in the Hindustan Times or the Times of India, I forget, maybe both papers. It's the Department of Telecom had put out a big ad. They were going to start a service called Videotex. Video,
ओके,
Videotex.
ओके,
Basically, they had collaborated with France Telecom. France Telecom was running the service in Paris. It was highly successful.
जी,
The concept was there would be a central server somewhere in the city, and there would be 50 to 100 public access terminals. There would be information and databases on this server, the public would pay money at those 50, 100 public access terminals to access that information. So they said we want PIPs, private information providers,
अच्छा,
who will own and run these databases.
okay,
We will not charge you rent. We will not pay you a fee. We will do revenue share 50-50. आप अपना सर्विस प्राइस करो. जो आदमी आके ढूंढेगा, सर्च करेगा, he will pay X fee and we'll do 50-50. So हमने सोचा, boss, let's revive this old insight and let us put up jobs
okay,
का database, and we will charge 50 rupees per job search.
okay,
25 रुपए आपके, 25 रुपए हमारे.
अच्छा,
तो कॉन्सेप्ट ये था, हमने प्रपोजल बनाया, हमने सबमिट किया.
जी,
We got shortlisted and selected, and we were called for a meeting. So there was this it was in the STC building on Janpat,
अच्छा,
big conference room. There was people from DOT. There was people from TCIL, Telecommunication Consultants India Limited,
okay,
a public sector company, but they were the implementation partner of that project,
these guys,
TCIL,
okay,
right? And there were 30, 40, 50 people like us.
okay,
Somebody is doing
for the same bid,
not same bid,
okay,
each with his or her own idea.
अच्छा,
ठीक है, हमारा जॉब्स का था, किसी और का कुछ था, किसी और ट्रैवल था, किसी
अच्छा,
वेरियस
ठीक है,
people, what they felt people would like, उनके ideas थे.
ठीक है,
We were all been shortlisted and selected, and they said start work. So they assigned 2 software programmers from TCIL with us,
okay,
and we developed the brief. पूरा हमने, it was brief in those days, a piece of paper handed, opening page पे ये होगा, click करो तो ये होगा. This is now called navigation and UI, but that time there was no term for it that
जी,
we knew of. We just did this,
okay,
and we began work. काम चालू हो गया. People began to do the programming, and things were happening. So we did that. Now, after 6 months, second meeting was held. Again, 50-60 लोग आ गए. All the PIPs, along with TCL, along with DOT. And these guys said, we have some bad news. The government has cancelled the project in the budget. So we have to stop work. Thank you so much for your time and your patience
after 6 months,
of working.
okay,
Before lunch,
okay,
with the तैयार अभी
तो
तक
पैसा तो आया ही नहीं अभी प्ले में,
नहीं पैसा product launch ही नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ,
Now, we had to file this fat of the entire brief.
right,
Okay. So we had the idea fleshed out, right? But there was nowhere to go with it. 3 साल बाद उसके, I saw the internet for the first time in Pragati Maidan. There was a exhibition called IT Expo called IT Asia. वहाँ मैं गया, वहाँ मैंने इंटरनेट पहली बार ही देखा.
हाँ,
So then I said, why not do it on the internet? So internet just come to India.
how was that feeling?
नहीं वो
Just-
तो यार, इंटरनेट was a small thing, boss.
Okay.
14,000 accounts से केवल. But 14,000 looked like a decent size to me.
okay,
And I said, why don't we launch this on the internet?
okay,
Which is what we did.
Hmm.
And we called it Naukri. So on April 197, we launched Naukri.
okay,
Uh, and we used to get 29 newspapers from around the country into our office, which would, those newspapers that would carry appointment ads. Not every newspaper has appointment ads. And we used to source it from this place called Central News Agency in Madras or Connaught Place.
okay,
Uh,
the jobs,
the newspapers.
okay,
Okay, and because Central News Agency, what it basically would supply out of town newspapers to whoever wanted them in Delhi.
right, okay,
So we had done a charting कि on Mondays we want these, Tuesdays we want these, जिस दिन appointment ads आते हैं. The appointment ads रोज नहीं आते थे in each paper, and we would do that. Now this we would send a peon every day, and he would bring back 4-5 अखबार हर रोज, and we would have data entry में we would take the appointment ads and input them in our format and in our language, and we would put up the things on the net.
Okay.
The moment you did that, traffic आने लग गया.
अच्छा,
Because the promise was very simple. All the jobs from all over India in one place that have been advertised. Minimum 1,000 jobs any point in time. So अगर advertisement आई है TOI बॉम्बे में, आप दिल्ली में हो, you can see it here. अगर advertisement आई है 15 दिन पहले, and you miss the paper, you can see it here
Hmm.
because we'd keep them live for a month.
Right.
So this was a very powerful promise back in the day in 97, which got traffic without advertising. जैसे ही traffic आने लग गया, people began to apply to those jobs. अब वो in the covering letter they would say, "Dear sir, I saw your advertisement on Naukri.com." So the moment that happened, the recruiters began to hear about us without us having to market because the applicant has referred to it, in the application. So then we began to get inbound interest from recruiters. saying, "Bhai, kya hai?"
Okay.
So then one guy, I think September 97, called up. शाम का समय था, मेरे ख्याल से 5:30 6 बजे होंगे.
Okay.
I am so and so, मैं नाम भूल गया हूँ, and I'm calling from this was a mid-sized auto component company in Pune. Says, I had advertised in the Times of India. You took my ad from the papers and I got good response. I've got 6 jobs. Okay, I've got 6 jobs which I have not advertised. If I send them to you, will you put them up? I said, yes, sir, but you have to pay. He said, how much? I said, 350 rupees per job. And that price got set. He said, I'm sending you a check along with the jobs to your address, which is on the website. I said, please send, sir. And we got our first sale.
Wow.
Now, uske baad, we took out all the old jobs that had been put up on the site in the last 6 months. And we built a mailing list of all the advertisers, recruiters, and we sent them on a letter.
Okay.
There were 3,000 of them, unique ones. We sent
जो
them
6 महीने में
हाँ,
डाले थे आपने. Okay.
a letter saying, "Bhai, this is the internet, this is Naukri, this is the job format, we have put up your jobs in the past, you must have got responses. In case you have jobs that you want to put on our website,
Right.
and you have not advertised in the paper, अगर अखबार में डाला है तो we'll take it free of cost. अगर अखबार में नहीं डाला है तो we can do it, at 350 rupees per job listing, or 6,000 rupees a year unlimited listings on our site for the 1 year.
Okay.
डालना चाहो, each listing is live for a month.
और अखबार कितना सस्ता या महंगा था as compared to what you were charging?
To advertise.
Yeah.
See, the display ads,
Hmm.
which is where the management jobs would come,
Hmm.
not the classified ads, the display ads. So we were priced at a classified, lower than classifieds.
अच्छा.
But the kind of jobs we were targeting and the kind of audience that came to us to apply to those jobs was management, which meant display ads.
Hmm.
A display ad, we were probably 1/100th the price.
Hmm.
The quarter page would have been 35,000. We were 350 rupees.
Correct. क्योंकि इंटरनेट तब लोग भी वही यूज़ कर रहे थे जो पढ़ रहे थे या फिर सबके लिए एक्सेसिबल तो नहीं था तब.
That's right. You don't have a mass medium, but it's a class medium.
Correct. एंड जैसे जैसे इंटरनेट ग्रोथ आ गया it became. So is there a first mover advantage?
There definitely is if you make good use of it. See, एक तो हमारा ब्रांड बन गया, दूसरा हमारी लर्निंग हो गई कि what works, what doesn't work. तीसरा, because there's no competition, you don't have to spend a lot of money on advertising.
Correct.
You're the only one.
Until when?
I think we got our first competition 3 years later.
Okay. Which was who?
Jobs Ahead.
अच्छा. Are they in the business?
No, they sold to Monster.
अच्छा.
Monster is an American company. Monster, meanwhile, had difficulty and Monster sold out. And now Monster in India has been bought by Quest. उनका नाम बदल गया है. अब, but they still exist in a smaller manner with a different name. I forget the name.
Monster 2005, 6, 7, 8 में नाम होता था उनका.
जी, जी.